Managing inventory efficiently is one of the biggest challenges for small businesses. You need enough stock to meet demand, but not so much that cash gets tied up. At its core, good inventory management means knowing what you have, what is selling, and when to reorder. Tools like QuickBooks make this much easier by recording purchases and sales, tracking stock levels, and flagging items that are low or moving slowly. This reduces manual work and helps protect cash flow. Here are the key points. Efficient inventory management prevents both stockouts and overstock. It works best when you use one reliable system to track item lists, stock movements, and basic reorder rules. And QuickBooks can serve as that system for many small businesses. For small operations, inventory management is really about meeting demand with as little waste of cash, time, and storage as possible. That means accurate tracking, understanding which items move faster than others, and setting simple rules for how much inventory to carry. Start by deciding which items truly need tracking, especially bestsellers or products that are hard to replace. Create a clear inventory list with item names or codes, units, and categories. In QuickBooks, this all lives in the products and services list. Next, choose one system for tracking quantity and value. QuickBooks Online Plus and Advanced lets you turn on inventory tracking and classify items as inventory, non-inventory, or services. Whichever system you choose, record all purchases and sales there. QuickBooks updates quantities and accounting entries automatically and also tracks items on purchase orders that have not been received yet. Then set simple reorder points. These help you buy at the right time based on lead times and safety stock. QuickBooks can store reorder points and alert you when items are low so you can prioritize purchases. Use reports to find patterns and adjust. Look at what sells quickly, what sits too long, and how much cash is tied up. QuickBooks reports show quantities on hand, items to reorder, and total inventory value so you can fine-tune your buying decisions. As the business grows, revisit your process. A simple system might work at first, but higher order volumes or multiple sales channels may require connecting QuickBooks to more advanced tools. A few best practices to avoid problems: focus on high-impact items first. Use reorder points instead of guessing. Avoid double entry by sticking to one system. Review reports regularly and update your processes as your operations scale. Efficient inventory management keeps shelves full, cash flow healthy, and your business running smoothly. And with the right setup in QuickBooks, staying on top of inventory becomes much easier.